Copper is making moves on the A-Lift neighborhood with homes and a hotel. Phil Lindeman, Krystal, 93 News. First, the ripple effect of level red COVID-19 restrictions was a hot topic at yesterday's Board of Health meeting.
There are limitations in Summit County. We love our visitors, but understand what you're walking into if you do come.
That was County Manager Scott Vargo. That meeting was 24 hours after more than 100 restaurant workers marched on Main Street, Breckenridge, protesting the dining room shutdown. And the board was mostly mum on restaurants. Health Director Amy Wineland talking about limits on short-term rentals.
Closing just one industry really isn't going to have the impact that we would like it to have. It doesn't seem like that's equitable either. I mean, if we were going to shut down everything for 2 weeks, that might make a difference.
30% of rental holiday bookings are canceled. That could hit 50% in coming weeks. Commissioner Karn Stiegelmeier.
This industry does support a lot of workforce in Summit County, and they're kind of unseen, unknown, but the property management companies have a lot of employees.
This comes as 1 in every 49 Colorado residents is now sick with the virus, and Front Range hospitals are surging. Wineland.
Our local hospital so far, knock on wood, has not reached or even gotten close to capacity. What we are continuing to hear, we're at 88% of our ICU capacity across the state. And so, of course, we're watching that very carefully.
The board also adopted new lower capacities for local ski resorts. Expect fewer spots when Keystone and Breck reservations open later today, and fewer day tickets available at A-Basin. No word on how this affects pass holders there, although Basin has promised no reservations and no limits. The ski area teased that Len Away Chair could be opening tomorrow. Before the health board meeting, commissioners approved the latest plans for homes and more at the base of Copper's A-Lift. Known as A-Lift Neighborhood, it calls for construction on about 8 acres, 5 homes, 10 townhomes, and a hotel with 53 rooms, plus 21 condos. Development is still early on. It's not clear how this will impact the golf course, which sits inside the larger development site. Copper and parent company Powdr Corp are planting trees for pass holders. It's part of a company-wide green initiative, planting 50,000 trees in Colorado, Vermont, Utah, and Oregon starting spring 2021. When mature, those thousands of trees offset yearly emissions from up to 9,800 cars. The latest now on coronavirus and your elective surgery. As COVID patients fill up hospital beds, Health Director Wineland warns that procedures like knee replacement could be delayed.
Maybe somebody needs a knee reconstruction from a trauma, but it's not necessary that they have it right away. It's not life-threatening, so that's something that could be put off to a later date, for example, if they need to have those beds available for other more emergent needs, like COVID patients.
Governor Jared Polis is putting new pressure on hospitals. Elective surgeries are still allowed for now. Summit County's latest infection rate is 1,136 per 100,000 people, up slightly from yesterday, with a positive test rate of 8.7%, the lowest in more than a month. Summit Medical Center is at 24% capacity, 56% below high risk. Avalanche danger is moderate today in the Summit Eagle County zone after up to 20 inches across the zone yesterday. Your problems are persistent slab and wind slab on north through southeast aspects, mostly on shaded slopes up high. A skier triggered a slide in those exact same conditions yesterday, south of the tunnels on Loveland Pass at Straight Creek. No one was caught or injured. And in local sports, brought to you by American Family Insurance, the Weiss Agency. It's opening day at Beaver Creek, celebrating 40 years this season. The Beaver is open with 130 acres and 3 chairs, including Bachelor Gulch. Today's also opening day for Crested, Butte, Aspen Mountain, and Snowmass. Phil Lindeman, Krystal, 93 News.